The 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, hard disk drive media storage, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.